Radar on.
Yep.
25 narrow.
Roger that. Mud on our nose, 12 o'clock.
And yes.
You got it. SA-8.
.014, that's not him.
We've got nails, 1 o'clock.
Storm on, fox-1.
Copy that. Gears moving. Gear up. Not able!
Flats out.
Flaps up.
Fox-2.
Hey bud, we got nail 6 o'clock.
And splash.
We have a fish bed, 12 o'clock, 1 mile.
Okay, full burner. Going in. MiG-15 and 2 Su-25s. Radar on. Chester.
Roger that.
Peeling off. And it's coming to engage. I've lost. Oh, I got him.
Returning to regular scan. No can do. Right 5 miles. 14,500. Got it. Can't do that.
That's a friendly.
We've got a 12 o'clock, 4 miles, locked friendly. Back to scanning again. I can't, no can do. Left 5 degrees, 3 miles, 12,500. Copy that.
En route to Aleppo, we got any bandits?
Locked, 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004. Shoot!
Shoot.
No can do. 12 o'clock, 2 miles.
Tracking.
I can't do that.
Copy, any ground targets there?
Splashed.
Yeah, you would have like an entire front line to yourself.
Zooming up for the
Yep.
SUs.
Locked, 1001, 1002,
Locked.
1003,
Chester, come on.
1004. Shoot! Okay, sanitizing the sky again. No can do, boss.
Enigma picture. 284, 273. So the west. C1. I'm not sure what it is. C2. C. There it is. So that's out.
We have a 3 o'clock low, 4 miles. Nails, 4 o'clock.
Brakes out. Oh, crap. That's bad. It's a Mirage.
Fox-1 Mirage F1.
Copy that. Unable. Okay, he's 5 o'clock now. 5 o'clock now.
It did sparrow thing.
Okay, copy that.
running
Unable.
away.
He's at 11
Slow.
o'clock. He's at our 4 o'clock high.
Come on, babe. Come on, babe.
Mine,
Look at
12
the
o'clock.
mirage.
SA8.
So that's in.
10 o'clock. 10 o'clock now.
And relax.
Okay, he's 5 o'clock.
Try to
5 o'clock
lower
now.
height, come back to the mirage. He's at engine stall.
The mirage is below me and behind me.
Okay, he's 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock now.
Entering grade 5, I need 450. I'm slow. We are on the deck.
Watch bogey.
Radar off.
Roger.
Yeah, look at that speed rising. Good, let's just get him on 6.
He's at our 5 o'clock.
Okay, so
Nails on the
I
nose.
informed
Okay,
them runway
5
3
o'clock now. 5 o'clock now.
beyond the pit. And they can no longer spawn at that close. Or
Good job.
Oh, he stopped turning.
Nice
Oh, he
one.
defended. Amazing. Oh, thank you,
He's
friend.
at our 1 o'clock.
Sleds out again. Thanks, man.
Looks like mud. 9 o'clock. SA8. Oh, he's dead now. Seven o'clock now.
currently loading around Aleppo. What's sort of shootout here?
1 o'clock.
Good dark low. There's some enemy north of Aleppo chilling around there, Minak airfield. Just along the front line. There's a barrage and a few other things, I think.
I don't see him. Still on mirage.
11 o'clock now.
Looks like a mirage. One missile. Fox-2. Switching to fox-1s. Look at that other fox-2. Oh, that's great. Nice splash. Barcelona South traffic, 2 F-4 Phantoms coming into land on long final, no fuel.
Already here.
Baron
Flaps,
1 to Mirage
pressure,
1,
warning lights,
9 of the
anti-
block, Angels 15, 2595.
Speed brakes in.
1,000. Nails, 7 o'clock.
Why did I enable ILS if I was not looking at
We've
it?
got traffic at our 2 o'clock.
Fuel is not good.
500.
This is incredible, 666 Mirage F1, they're shooting you on the left now.
300. Hey, what's our fuel?
Not now, just
Submissive, incredible, I believe in you. Down that Mirage F1. Star 1-1, mix MiG-21 and Mirage F-1. 9 o'clock low, Angel 1.
This is cross landing, come on.
Butcher 1-1.
Good.
Mirage F-1, MiG-21. 259-21, Angel 3.
Alrighty, let's flare it down. Pretty good, speed brakes out. Not gonna use the partial aid on the